Oh, that is pretty gnarly. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just clearing my sinuses. Nothing to be worried about. Got symptoms right here. Coronavirus symptoms. This might help a few people as well. So this is just clearing up a few things about the symptoms for coronavirus. Make sure everyone stays safe. I'm going insane. Must be nice being outside. Okay, that's enough. I'm going back inside. Alright, I think it's time to start editing some photos. So I've got the photos open in Lightroom right now. These are all the photos. There is 43 altogether. Alright, this is gonna be fun.
5 hours later.
Oh my god. Oh! There's a whole different range of photos that I received from you guys, which is freaking awesome. So there's a lot we can play around with. So I'm just gonna start straight here with number 1, which is this nice half shot of a car. I think we can do a lot to this photo to make it stand out. I might make this photo a little more colder. Add a little more blues in there, I think. Let's switch that. So now you can start to see the blues kind of in the windscreen. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna drop the exposure down, and then I'm gonna put a filter. I'm gonna put one of these circular filters on the car, and I'm just gonna bring that back up. I'm gonna bring the red out in the car. That's what I'm gonna do now. Make it pop. Let's go saturate. Whew, I can't speak. Let's go saturation, and these trees are kind of bland, aren't they? They need a little more color. Now I want to add some dynamic light because I think this is missing that. So from this corner down, I'm going to drag another radial filter, bump the exposure up a lot on that one. Now that is, I'd say, a finished photo. That looks amazing. Compared to the starting image, I think we've done a lot. I think that's a pass right there. Moving on to the next one, which is this awesome photo. Oh, it seems to be a screenshot. We've got some of the stuff down the bottom here. So very first thing I'm gonna do is just crop that out. So I really love that blue. I'm a big fan of that. Might fix up the sky a little bit, make it a little bit. Oh, that is pretty gnarly. That's awesome. Oh, one more thing I'm gonna do to this. What I do with pretty much every self-portrait I get is drop the exposure on everything, just like I did on the car one. Drop the exposure a little bit. Not too much though, I don't want it to look like it's dark. And then just, grab one of these, pop it on our main subject here. Having a good old time snowboarding, and we are just gonna brighten him up a little bit. I think this photo is done, and it looks quite freaking awesome. I've been saying that a lot, but yeah, from the start to the finish, I think that's a nice photo. That's a pass as well. I love it. Okay, this one's an interesting one. This self-portrait inside a kind of tunnely fabric looking thing. This is gonna be interesting. So first thing off the bat I can see is I need to switch this white balance up because it is quite on the yellow side. So I'm just gonna neutralize that a little bit, make it nice and more white, I guess. And the interesting thing I love about this is this side of the image here. So I kind of want to keep that. I don't want to crop it. I want to bring out the eyes a little bit, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that because this is not a raw file. Yeah, that's not working. Pop and fill. Ooh, that's moody. I haven't even done anything to it. Let's take a look at this before and after. I think this photo is finished. Yep, look at that. That is cool. That is really cool. Moving on to this one. Oh, this is a really cool one. I love this one. First thing, let's go to the hues. Let's make that green look nice. Actually, okay, so that's not green, that's a yellow. We've made it look really autumn, which is good. Just the juxtaposition between orange and that blue, they're like opposing colors. So it looks so, oh, my computer's on 1% battery. What are they? Bruh, if they're speakers, that's something. Oh, bruh. That's hectic. And that is a finished photo. That's sick. Yeah, that's sick. Alright, this one's cool. Bubblegum, this is very thematic. Let's bump the hue to the side, That's not how it wants to be with me. Cooperate, please. Before and after. Boom. Awesome. If I had more time, I would put some overlays in there with some nice bubbles and stuff, make it really thematic. I'll bring out the saturation in the red a little bit. I can't even do that without destroying the photo. Honestly, this photo doesn't need editing. It is sick. This one is, I love the depth of field on this. I'm not sure if that's digital depth of field from a filter or if that's an actual camera, but either way, it looks really nice with the depth of field. I love that I can actually see your eyes clearly because that is gonna help a ton. So with the eyes, I'm gonna bring the exposure up, clarity up a little bit. Boom, you can see that eye's popping. And same with this one. This one's a bit darker, so I'm not gonna raise it up too much, otherwise you end up looking like a werewolf. Unless that's the look you're going for. And there's some light coming through the window here, so you know what that means. Dynamic light. Awesome, let's see the before and after of this. It was a good photo to start with, honestly. It's quite nice. Boom. There we go. First thing I'm gonna do, white balance. Boom. Let's restore this white balance. I see that brought out a lot of purple and stuff. I'm trying to figure out, where is that? Is that a red? Oh, it is. Okay, awesome. Let's do this photo black and white. Boom! That's awesome. Boom! Look at that! So I finished editing all the photos. That's all of them done. I know not all of them are included in the video, but I have edited them all, and you should already all have them. If you haven't, let me know. All of the photos were awesome and hell of a fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have an amazing week. Stay safe. See you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna go and lie down. Oh my god, my laptop.